So, ayan, i-attach ko siya, in-attach ko siya, ayan, tapos ilalagay ko, ipapatong ko yung, ano, ito, ayan, ipatong natin, and then, ayan, ayan, ipapatong, tapos ilalagay yung lock sa It's installed. Ayan, hindi na siya nag-shaken. So, tighten na siya. Dito, ino natin. And, ang next natin ay ito. So, make sure, turn off muna. Turn off na ito. Paano ba ito turn off? Turn off the water line. Ito yung T-connection. Try natin i-connect. Ito siya. Siyempre, i-connect natin to dito. Diba? Ito yung pampasikip. Ayan. Tighten. Pampasikip. So, huwag na natin to. Tanggalin natin to. Okay, dalawa. Ayan, diba? Ito yan ang magko-connect. Dito. Yan, from here to here. Okay, ito dito pagayan, and then doon sa kabila, ito ganyan. So, we'll see what's gonna happen next. Okay. I need to get the wrench in my car. Ito na yung wrench. Okay. Wala. Okay. Tingnan natin. Kung kaya ba. Kaya bang. Paano ba ito ang pagsara? Ah, hindi. Tighten. Okay. Dahan-dahan lang. Huwag ano. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, push. Okay. Push. So, ayan na. It came out. So, what I do now is to put the tea solution. This one. This is the tea I'm gonna put in here. Oh, dapat pala hindi ko na nilagay yung pasta. Bastos. Tinanggal ko pa to. I'm not supposed to take this out. Well, natanggal na. Okay. So, mali. Okay, mali. Tapos, ito. Okay, ano. Yeah. Dah. Okay. So, next. Okay. Ito. Lalagay natin dito. And then, ito. Dito. Just like that. Just like that. Just like this. And like that. Ito, i-connect natin. Okay. Kailangan na lang mag-lock. Ikot, ikot. Okay. Okay. So, I didn't just teflon. Tingnan natin, ha. Okay. And then, ito dito. Okay. So, yan na, ha. Wait. Ano nga ito? Ay, ito na. Sana hindi siya mag-leak na. Kasi hindi siya mag-leak. Okay. Last but not the least, the last part. Ito siya. Okay. Ito natin. We're gonna see. Okay. Ow, shit. Ah. Shit. Turn on. Ooh.
It's working, Mama?
My leak, the water was leaking. Okay, this one here. I won't be